I see the biggest challenge today is the shipping industry moving to a lower carbon future. So today, what we're seeing is that there are going to be a number of different fuels available, and for the ship owners to decide today which fuel they're going to use, that's going to be a challenge, because today we have a number of fuels and they need to make a decision for their new vessels, but also the requirements from the IMO on greenhouse gas emissions, and towards 2050, that's going to be a challenge that's going to keep the industry busy for the years to come. Now, if we then look at us as Chevron, so Chevron's strategy is to deliver lower carbon to a changing and a growing world. So if you look at that, we actually aim to be one of the most efficient and reliable suppliers of low carbon energy. Now, we're currently growing our capabilities in renewable fuels, in carbon capture, in offsets, in hydrogen, and other emerging technologies. So that's what we're focusing on in this time. So the transition to a lower carbon energy world is providing us the opportunity to work on innovative solutions. So in my role as the new general manager for Chevron Marine Lubricants, my aim is to bring together dedicated teams that will be working on the marine lubricant solutions of the future. So we want to support our customers during this journey to the lower carbon future, and work with our customers, OEMs, external parties, but also our internal Chevron colleagues. Like, we have a fuels department, a marine fuels department. We work closely together. We have a base oils team, we have additives, we have our technical team. So we work all together to look at solutions for marine lubricants for the future energy transition. And then one of the other things which is pretty important for us, is customer experience. So we believe our customers need to have the support from us, and we need to help them to go through this journey. And we have a pretty dedicated customer service team, both internal sales reps as our sales teams, as our technical teams. So we want to make sure that we are there when the customer needs us to provide them solutions, so they can think about other challenges while we take away the concerns around marine lubricants. And then the other thing I want to work on is share learnings. You know, we talk a lot to our customers, we talk with OEMs. Internally, we have discussions about the marine industry, and I think it's important we share those learnings and learn from them to understand what is the future bringing and how can we contribute, how can we help the shipping industry through this journey. So we all have a stake in a reliable and efficient lower carbon energy system. This belief should drive our ambitions and the actions we take. It's going to be important for us, all of us, to help our teams go through this change that the industry is going through. We need to embrace the change, because that change is coming, and find new ways of working. And it's going to be important for, as I mentioned in my previous comment, is cooperation. Cooperation is going to be key. Not one company, not one industry is going to have the solutions. So by cooperating, sharing learnings, I think we will get very far, and we will face those challenges that are upcoming in a much better way. Now, and the other thing is, I think we have a lot of experience, expertise, partnerships, and we need to use that to innovate. And innovation, again, is going to be key for the future.